Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into the channel. I am Morris the plumber. So our goal on this channel is to share information with you concerning plumbing issues. So if you find value in our videos, please pay it forward by subscribing to our channel, like and share the videos. Alright everyone, so let's get into the video. Yes guys, so what we're doing here, we're gonna do a new plumbing system in this house. We're changing out the old plumbing, and we are gonna put in a new plumbing, drainage and water supply system. So we want to take you through the process and let you see how it's done. Alright, so let's go inside. Okay, so inside here, this is gonna be the kitchen over here. This was the old drain pipe for the kitchen. So we're gonna remove that. We're not gonna be using that anymore. So we're gonna set up a new line here, come back this way. And then we're gonna come in here with the main supply line for the plumbing system. So this is the number one bathroom. This is the first bathroom. So this is a pipe for the toilet. You have the sink over here, and the tub is right here. So we are going to change out all that pipes and put in brand new pipes for the plumbing. Over here is the next bathroom. So the bathroom is like back to back. So what we're gonna do, this is like old cast iron pipe. We're gonna take out all these pipe here and redo the whole plumbing system for the toilet, sink and tub. And then back here we have the washroom. So we are gonna also put the new pipes for the washroom and the hot water heater. Alright. Okay, so we just dug out the dirt from around the pipe, and this is the old cast iron pipe down in the ground here. It's all kind of, they formed this up like a manifold. We're gonna do a complete different setup. So this is how it looks from this bathroom. Let's go to the next bathroom and see how it's set up around here. So this is the setup from the next bathroom here. You have the this looks like a kitchen and washing machine line coming in here. You have the tub right here. You have another tub right there, and then the toilet and the sink, two sink right here. So we're gonna get going on that just so that you see what it looks like underneath the ground, and that is it. Okay, so what we're doing here, we're gonna cut this cast iron pipe. So we're gonna remove all the bad piece that goes down into the ground. This piece is okay, so we're gonna save this as a vent, and then we're gonna secure it up here so that it doesn't fall when we remove this part here. So this is a tool that we use to cut it. This color. Cut that. That's the cast iron pipe being cut right there. Okay. So now we can release it because it's been cut.
Whoa, whoa, now.
Okay. Okie dokie. That's how you cut the pipe. Alright. If you can't get sleepy, you can't hit me tomorrow. Alright, so we're taking down this piece of cast iron pipe. We already cut that. So we're just gonna break this out and get this part down. Okay. Alright, so we already secured this piece up here so it doesn't fall. Alright, because if you don't secure that when you move this, it could really do some damage to you. So move that, take this piece down. Stay right there for now. So now we're just gonna continue with the demolition here.
Wait. When you shake the wall, the up there might shake that and might make it fall.
Alright, let me secure that some more. Where's the drill? We're on the screw in some more. So. See better? Yeah. Okay. Put one more screw in there. So we got it fully secure. Okay, so we have this almost fully secure. I'm gonna double the screws so for safety. Alright, so this is not going nowhere. So since we're gonna work below here, I want to make sure that is well secure. Alright, so now we can continue with the demo. Cast iron pipe, it's no good at the base there. It's no good, you gotta hold this real secure. This is no good. So we're gonna go down and take out everything. Boy, look at that. Look at that. See that? See that? It was all right. Oh, good. the tub. Here over there for the other tub. Okay. I'll get it from the next side now.
Oh,
What? We finally get the old pipe out. All the old pipe except that shower. We gotta take out that shower piece. Now we're ready to start installing our new piping. Okay guys, this is the plumbing piping that we putting in here. This is the main building drain right here. So up here we did a combination fitting right here, and this is how we got to set it up, because we got to do the we got to put in this line here is the kitchen sink. That one going to pick up the kitchen up there, and then over here this line here that branch up here and continue up there. That's gonna be the washing machine line. Yeah, that's the washing machine line. So up here now you have the main trunk line that come on to the kitchen. I mean, not the kitchen, but the bathroom. So right here we got a toilet right here, and this is a vent line right there. When we go on the other side, you'll see the vent pipe gonna go through the roof, and right here we have another toilet. So I have to roll this toilet up. I couldn't bring it down like this, because if I did that, I wouldn't be able to pick up the tub. So I have to roll this line up a little bit here, so I can get the line for the tub underneath there to pick up the bathtub. So that is it. So we have the sink, the toilet, and the tub. So let's go on the other side now, and then we'll see the other side. Yeah, so on the other side now we got the tub here. So this is the tub for that bathroom there. So we put a P-trap down there below the ground. And this is the pipe that we roll up to come and pick up this toilet over here in this bathroom. This is the vent. This is the pipe for the sink right there. And this is going to be the vent that goes back through the roof right there. So right here now, this is going to be the other tub for this bathroom, right? And over here we're going to be doing a washing machine line and behind the wall here. So we're going to roll up this 2-inch pipe. We're going to bring it back over here and roll it up and come up here and pick up the washing machine. Yeah, so this is like a complete drainage system here for this house. It's brand new. It's like a brand new system that we're putting in here. And this was a little tricky because if you notice, you have the bathrooms back to back and we have to do it. Let me clean out this area so you can see the P-trap, how we connect this tub here. This P-trap has to be connected for the tub. They have to be coming off of a vented line. In other words, I couldn't just put a pipe here that fit in here and pick up the tub off of the toilet. Can't do that because then that's not up to code. And doing that, it would consider unvented. So each fixture has to be vented properly. So this is a vented line here. So we pick it up at the base of the vent right there. And we pick up that tub right down there, right? And then off of this vented line here, we drop a wire and pick up the other tub over here. So that will be tomorrow. Alright, that is it. Okay, so this joint here where we pick up the kitchen sink and the washing machine. See, the washing machine is considered to be a pump discharge fixture. And because it's a pump discharge fixture, we couldn't tie in the washing machine up here. We couldn't tie it in up here with these other fixtures because that's not up to code. So we have to do it up to code by downstream. We got to do the washing machine downstream all the fixtures up here. So this tying here with the washing machine and the kitchen sink, this is the last fixture that we pick up down here. We couldn't do it upstream, the toilets or the tub. It wouldn't work. It's not up to code. So that's why we do it like that. Okay, so we just did the kitchen. Right here we set up the drainage for the kitchen pipe. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and use a studio vent. That way we don't have to go through the roof. So we're gonna 45 it out here and put a studio vent underneath the kitchen sink. Alright. And that's how we're gonna do this one. Okay. So that's it.
Took out all these pipes right here. This is the line for the washroom.
Alright everyone, that's it for this repair. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next repair video.